Hi, welcome back to another video from Binks Balustrades. Today we're going to do a review on some standoff brackets. So here we have a few different types of standoff brackets. Some people call them button fixings or point fixings, but we always refer to them as standoffs due to the intended purpose of it standing the glass off the surface that you're mounting to. These are widely available from a huge number of suppliers. Some are great, some are not so great, but all in all they are pretty much all the same. We have a couple from OnLevel and one from Easysteel. Now, in essence, these all do exactly the same job, but there are a few differences in the designs which are pros and cons across the board. This is the Easysteel option, and these are available in 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50mm thickness, and they're all 50mm in diameter. This particular product, in my opinion, has the upper hand on most of the other ones in terms of the design. The back boss is threaded to give you a little bit of lateral adjustment. For example, if the face that you are mounting to isn't quite level, you can wind the back out or forwards to compensate for it. It also has 4 countersunk holes for mounting this with screws. This is brilliant for use on the side of a timber staircase or a timber apron. These work especially well in domestic applications to give the staircase and or the landings a totally frameless look. This has a little hole in the side of the face for tightening it up, which is really discreet. It makes you got a nice clean face on the front. The gasket is clear, which is really hard to see when it's installed, and for people like me who've got OCD about the finer details, this is a really brilliant idea. However, having said that, it's also a downside. The gasket and the spacers that come with it are very basic, and they have quite a big hole in them. This means that when you are lining the glass up, you have to fiddle about with the gasket, trying to line it up with the front and the back face, so it's not sticking down when you've tightened it all up. When you're using a thin one, like a 10mm for example, it's a bit of a pain trying to get down the back of it because it's too thin, you can't get your fingers down. And secondly, the biggest downside of this product is they don't have any specific testing done by the manufacturer, which is a real shame because the overall design of this product is absolutely brilliant. Moving on to OnLevel. So here we have two options from OnLevel. We have the 2060 and the 2550. Now, as usual, OnLevel have all the in-depth official testing certs for these products for 0.74 kilonewtons for the 2060 and 1.5 kilonewtons for 21.5 century glass for the 2550, which is great. And these aren't the only options they have at OnLevel. They have a whole list of different diameters ranging from 30mm up to 80mm. And also different mounting options such as round back for tube and flat back for flat surfaces. So there's absolutely plenty of choice. The 2050 comes in 30, 40 and 50mm thick, and it also comes in a few different colour options too, such as dark bronze and black anodised. Now this is a great little benefit as the back splits off and it's slotted, which gives you about 10mm adjustment depending on which way around you use it. It's got the same discreet tightening hole as the Easysteel, and this also has a slightly radius face, so it's a little bit more appealing aesthetically. The main benefit of this one for me though is that the effort has gone into designing the gasket. The back face has a little raised part which the gasket sits over, which centralises it, meaning that you don't have to fight with it like you do with the Easysteel when you're tightening the glass on. However, I would like to see it being clear and not black, which is just me being picky, I know, but it would really finish this product off. Next we have the 2060. This is available in the same size as the Easysteel version, so 10 through to 50mm, and also comes in the different colour options in certain sizes. And it's pretty much the same as the Easysteel in terms of looks, apart from it's slightly bigger in diameter. It has the same centering gasket as the 2550, which is great for installation. And one benefit this has over the Easysteel is the rod is much longer and gives you greater fixing depth into stone or concrete. This one's a bit bulky for me, but there are plenty of other options to choose from if you don't like the size of this one. Mainly for me though, this is missing the 4 countersunk holes that the Easysteel has. It's limited in its mounting options. All round though, it's a great product in both design and quality. So there we have it, a few different products to look at, all with pros and cons as usual. But to be fair, they all have their own place with their own respective designs. If any suppliers want us to review their products, or you have any questions about these products that we reviewed today, please drop us an email at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.